Which Quince travel products are worth the money? That is the question that I am going to try to answer today as I review a variety of Quince travel gear, from luggage to purses to toiletry kits and more. Let's go. Hello and welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Christy, the Gen X Gypsy, and on this channel, we like to focus on how to make travel easier and perhaps a little more stylish for the over 50 woman. And today I'm so excited to review some of the more popular travel gear items that Quince has to offer. Now, this video is not sponsored by Quince, but I have received many of these items as part of the affiliate program. And if this happens to be the first time that you are hearing about Quince, it is an online store that offers luxury essentials honestly priced. That's actually their official tagline. They are available in the US and now in Canada. And aside from having great quality items, they also have a fabulous 365-day return policy. We are going to start with the items that I've been using the longest. They're expandable luggage. I do have 3 of the 4 different sizes that they have available. I have the small carry-on, the regular carry-on size, and the medium checked-in bag. The only one I don't have is the large checked-in bag. These suitcases are very similar to luxury brands like Monos and Away, but at less than half the price. I've been using mine for well over 2 years now, and honestly, most of the time I end up having the bags checked in, so they do get beat up by those luggage, the way the baggage handlers handle our luggage these days. It's surprising that any luggage comes out in one piece. So these have been through the ringer and well tested. All sizes of the expandable luggage include the details that you would expect from any high-end baggage, from the TSA approved combo locks to their high-performance 360-degree wheels. And one of my favorite features on all of these bags is the compression panel inside that helps to keep everything in place. A few additional bonuses are the removable laundry bag and the option to be able to store the carry-on size suitcases inside your checked-in suitcases to maximize your storage space at home. I love these suitcases so much. I have bought them as gifts for many members of my family. And with 7 colors to choose from, you can easily coordinate with your favorite travel style colors. Next up is this neoprene toiletry bag, which is made of recycled materials. In fact, Quince has many products that are made of recycled materials, especially water bottles. It's nice to be able to purchase items that have that sustainability aspect to them. I have just started testing this out. For the most part, I am still using my Trip Travel toiletry bag most of the time, but I do love having this soft bag to pack some of my bigger toiletry items in, like my curling wand, comb and brush, and my little bag of nighttime essentials. But of course, it would make a great traditional style toiletry bag as well. It has a nice nylon lining that is easy to clean, an interior organization with a zippered pocket, and these little elastic loops. I do like this detachable pouch, which can be used in many different ways. I think this bag would make a great tech bag or a small camera bag, which is what I might use it for on my next trip. It does come in 8 very pretty colors. The only reason I got it in this tan color is because I wanted it to match the tag-along pouch set that I got earlier this year. And yeah, if I had to do it over again, I think I would choose a prettier color. This isn't my favorite color, but now I've got coordinating pieces, which, I mean, for whatever that is worth. This little leather jewelry box is another item that I've been testing out, and I'm still trying to figure out how to make it work best for me. For most of my traveling, I've packed my jewelry in this pretty little bag that my friend brought back from Vietnam for me. I like that the jewelry box has a specific place for rings and a way to keep your necklaces from getting tangled up. However, most of my earrings are longer, like this one, and they don't really work in this earring holder here. There is plenty of space to lay them in the case, so I might try that next time. I also like that there is room for me to pack an extra Apple Watch band in here. I really like the size of this jewelry box, but I think I need to pack it a few more times to see if it's going to find a place in my permanent travel gear. For now, I'm going to say I'm pretty neutral on this particular product. Another smaller travel item that I've been using for about 2 years now is the silk eye mask. This was the first eye mask that I started using when I discovered how much much better my sleep could be wearing a bougie eye mask. The mask is a lovely soft silk that feels really, really nice against your skin, and it does come in 9 different colors, which is fun. You can coordinate with your pajamas. The one drawback I found with the Quince mask is that the strap is not adjustable, and since my head is on the smaller side, the mask tends to slip around on my face at night because I don't have a snug fit on the back of my head. So I have switched to using these lily silk masks that do have an adjustable strap. But if you have a normal or larger noggin, the Quince masks are a fantastic deal for a 100% silk mask. Next up is this really cool garment duffel bag that I just used a few weekends ago for a short trip. This bag is sort of like a magic trick. It's crazy how much it can hold due to its interesting design. It's a garment bag that rolls up into a duffel. I packed a dress and a couple of other hanging items inside the garment area. Then I stacked more clothes into the duffel part. There are 3 exterior pockets, one that happens to turn into a shoe bag, but just know that whatever shoes that you pack into that shoe bag are going to take up more space inside of the duffel part of the bag. Then you have a large pocket on the front that I used for my curling wand and some other bathroom items like my toothbrush. If you are packing sandals or flip-flops, you could easily pack them in this front pocket instead of in the shoe bag. It comes with a removable shoulder strap, and there is a trolley strap on the back, so you can put it on top of your rolling luggage. Now, I really love the design of this bag and how much you can actually pack inside of it. However, and there are a couple of big howevers, 1, it is too big to be used as a personal item bag. And 2, if you pack it to capacity, I think it will be so much heavier than you would want to walk around an airport carrying it if you were to use it as your carry-on luggage. It's a great option for weekend road trips, but for air travel, especially for women, I think this bag would just be too unwieldy and too heavy to handle. But if you are looking for a more rugged personal item backpack, the weatherproof roll top backpack might be a good option for you. It's a pretty simple top loading backpack, again, made from recycled plastic bottles. There are 2 design elements that I really like on this bag. The first is a side entry zippered computer sleeve that's on the back of the backpack. This makes retrieving my laptop while sitting in my airplane seat so much easier because I don't have to open the whole backpack to dig around and get to my laptop. The other design feature I really appreciate is the convertible trolley strap that you can zip up to make another pocket that stays hidden when you are wearing the backpack on your back. There are 3 colors to choose from, and each has either a bright yellow or a bright green interior lining to make it so much easier to find things inside. The water bottle holders on each side have elastic expansions, so they hold my larger water bottle. I don't know how large a water bottle it'll hold, but it'll hold a pretty big water bottle. The breathable mesh on the back panel and shoulder straps plus the adjustable chest strap make this bag very, very comfortable to wear around on those long travel days. And at only $88, this backpack is a bargain compared to so many similar high-end backpacks. This definitely is going in the yay column for me. Lastly, I want to give a shout out to 2 Quince purses that I love for travel. First is this Italian leather convertible clutch. This purse comes with a crossbody strap that when you remove it, it turns the purse into the perfect clutch to use for evening outings. And the second is this Italian leather shoulder bag. This purse comes with both a shoulder strap and a crossbody strap, making it incredibly functional. Now, I have the smaller size in this model, which can hold my minimal daily touring essentials, but if you need to carry a bit more, the larger size of this model would be more than accommodating. And if you want to give yourself even more options and a more casual look for either of these purses, Quince does have a canvas crossbody strap that you can buy separately. I use these purses all the time at home and when traveling. Truly 2 of my favorite Quince products. I'd love to hear if you have been using any Quince travel products. Have you found any winners or even losers? Let us know in the comments below. For some tips on how to efficiently pack that personal item backpack, check out this video next. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. I hope that you have safe and wonderful travels.